Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to lock and unlock weight and height in Excel. Okay, now see this. Unlock this, lock this cells. Go to alignment, protections. You deselect lock, then click OK. Go to review options or review tab. Protect sheet. All protect this sheet. You remove format column, format rows, and tick mark this. Click OK. Now see this lock row and column height white. Remove this row white and height lock. Just simply right click your sheet and protect sheet. Remove this lock. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.